Show me. What did you get? Oh yeah, gold medal. Very nice. So in which you did get? Running. Good. Chalo, let's go.
Aditya, Anaya.
Stretch one leg at a time. Gymnastics. We love to play. Bouncing and flipping every day. A bridge and a back bend. Splits and headstands. Gymnastics with our feet and our hands. Flipping every day. A bridge and a back bend. Splits and headstands. Gymnastics with our feet and our hands.
Awesome.
Wheels. Round and round we go. Somersault. Tuck and roll. Bridge and a back bend. Archway high. Lift. Stretch one leg at a time.
Parents, I'm sure you can't do
We
this.
love to play. Bouncing and flipping every day. A bridge and a back bend. Splits and headstands. Gymnastics.
Keep the applause going, parents.
Feet and our hands. Bouncing and flipping every day. A bridge and a back bend. Splits and headstands. Gymnastics with our feet and our hands. Cartwheels. Round and round we go. Somersault. Tuck and roll. Bridge and a back bend. Archway high. Lift. Stretch one leg at a time. Gymnastics. We love to play. Bouncing and flipping every day. A bridge and a back bend. Splits and headstands. Gymnastics with our feet and our hands. Gymnastics. We love to play. Bouncing and flipping every day. A bridge and a back bend. Splits and headstands.
Stop. तुमच्यात शर्यत खेळण्यात. Start with warm up. Hands up. Stand on your toes. Bend down. Touch your toes. Hold down. Slowly come up.
Coordination.
Slowly come up. Hands on your waist. Heels up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands down. Jumping jacks. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Chariot. Chumbi. पंजे की चुम्बी. Change with taekwondo. Start. Paro. Sichumsuki chumbi. Left hand out. Face level punch. 1,
Such enthusiasm.
3, 4, 5, 6. Stomach level. 1, 2, 3, 4,
The claps going, parents.
5, 6.
My, I can really feel
Paro.
goosebumps on my hands.
पंजे की चुम्बी. Upcha kick, front kick with right leg. 1, Loudly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Leg change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Follow. तुमच्यात शर्यत Kegnet, Vinchaktora, turn your left, show.
After that mesmerizing performance, I'm sure we can't stop it. Taekwondo, Taekwondo, Taekwondo.
Euro Senior C. Manas, Mehran, Tanishq, Ivyan, Kiya,
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
Anshika, Alaya, Kabir. Wasn't that a wonderful performance? Now, I request our respected chief guest to come and address the audience. Mr. Roshan Shetty.
Right. So first of all, a very good morning to all the parents. Let's have a little energy for these kids because I believe, they are the future of our country, and I would really keep it short because I know, though I'm not a parent yet, hopefully very soon, but I know the enthusiasm. I know how much you'll wait for this day to see your kids perform. But just on a smaller note, on a short note that I like to put across is just a couple of things. First of all, I'm really thankful to the Euro School for inviting me. A lot of times, sometimes we find relevance with a sports day and how a guest is called. So thank you so much, ma'am, for inviting me. I would also like to take this time out to kindly thank Seema ma'am and Shalpa Joshi ma'am for welcoming me here with so much of enthusiasm. Just two quick things before we continue the action. In my career as on television as a commentator presenter from, let's say, the root level to the international level of doing multi-sport, the only important thing which has helped me is the idea of being involved with sports. Because I'm not really underrating or putting down academics per se, but sports, my dear friends, the kids are too small, that's why I address the parents. It's sports that helps you build character. Academics will make you a good human, but it's sports that will help you to build character. When these kids, they go down to becoming 25, 30-year-olds, when they're all out, in the world, all by themselves, that is where all the concepts that you learn from sport per se, taking losses, how do you deal with losses, staying along with a team, building that team, and most important, the need of the hour for our country right now is the idea of leadership. Our focus should be on creating leaders rather than creating robots for our country. And a school like this, Euro School, which I was just speaking to Principal Ma'am as well about how well they are utilizing all sport, music. So let your kid be what he wants to. If he loves playing the guitar, don't stop him after the 10th standard. No, you need to focus on academics. If somebody is good in playing a guitar, if somebody is good in sports, they will realize their responsibility and they will automatically study well. So you don't need to tell those children to study well. So we have seen so many examples right now, and when I go forward in understanding how life brings us all, this is all a circle. Today when you all see your kids, I'm sure you all might be remembering your childhood as well, isn't it? And then now you all are telling yourselves, काश मेरे पास ऐसा एक opportunity होता जहाँ पे मेरे माँ बाप मुझे देख सकते थे खेलते रहे. And today there is such a big platform. So one thing which I always do whenever I go to places is that I make the parents comfortable saying that yes, there is a fabulous career in sports. Rest assured, being in this industry for the past 15 years, I'll tell you, there is a fabulous career in sports. Let them be as a player. I was an athlete myself and I realized my passion revolves around sport. And that is the result that you see. I was one of the youngest commentators in the country to come on television at the age of 23, 24. Eventually to moving out to doing international Formula 1, Formula E, all these other sports. So my only request is to allow your child to do what they want. They will eventually find a way to, help themselves while they go to this. So thank you so much once again to all the management. One very special announcement I'd like to say, which is very underrated per se, is if you all see the amount of efforts that teachers have put in here, all the sports coaches and everybody, to make this a real success. Can we have one huge round of applause for all the teachers here? Because they are the actual ones behind the camera or behind the scene. In the industry that we work in, you all see our faces on television, but it is actually the crew behind which makes us look successful, like quote unquote look successful. So please, we need a lot of respect for our teachers for creating. I am a product of a very strong Guru-Shishya relationship. It was my Guru who really created me. I have surrendered to my Guru, and that is how, the product that is here today. So thank you once again, everybody. Have a fabulous morning, everybody, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Thank you.
On your mark, get set, go!
I'm the happiest Christmas tree. Someone came and they found me and took me home with them. I'm the happiest Christmas tree. Look how pretty they dress me. Oh, lucky, lucky me. I got a shining bells that jingle and tiny little lights that
On your mark, get set, go!
it was cuddly, the candy shows from every Mr. Grinch, you're bad.
Mama, what did you get?
God bless you, my child. Very nice.
Oh, so nice. Eat your food.
Huh?
What is there in the box?
Wow,
Let me
winner.
show it. Open it.
Show your medal.
It's open this way. He's open this way. This way is open.
Oh, so cute. Show me your medal.
See what they have got also.
Wow. Give. Wow.
So golden medal.
Well done, my winners.
Wow, nice. You want to eat it? How do you want to eat
Lunchbox.
lunchbox? Rice ball?
Finish.
Rice ball finish?
Good boy.
Finish.
Very good, Vacha. Very good. Well done. So much fun.
लो शार्पिनी खाओ, ये तो जूस है, पहले ये फिनिश करो। बैठो, सिट, पींगे
ये तो दूसरे.
ये अभी लेना।
Show me the medal again.
ये तो दूसरे.
Medal.
ये दूसरा दूसरे. उधर से इतने सारे दूसरे. आप तो नहीं कर रहे. ये आधा.
You happy?
Yes.
Proud of?
Yeah. He has been runner-up second in running. Nice. थोड़ा सा पीस नहीं भाई